Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Keep in 2026. If you want a simple and free app to take notes, create checklists, set reminders, and organize your daily tasks, then Google Keep is one of the best options available. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who wants to stay organized, Google Keep can help you manage everything in one place. So let's get started. First, open Google Keep in your web browser. Click Take a Note to create a new note. Add a title, such as Daily Tasks, and write a few items below it. Next, click the checklist icon to create a checklist. Add tasks like study for exam, submit assignment, and attend class. You can check off completed tasks anytime. Now click the color icon and choose a different color to organize your notes. Then click the reminder icon and set a date and time so Google Keep can remind you automatically. Finally, use the search bar at the top to quickly find any note by keyword. That's how to use Google Keep in 2026. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful Google tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.